Hey everybody, it's Biggie. Welcome to Biggie's Auto. So we're at the trailer today. Haven't been here in a year. We haven't done any racing. We haven't done anything with the turd. Just life happening. We're looking for a house, a shop where we can do our projects indoors and do stuff. So we've been looking. Plus, throw in the fact all the tracks here are going to 8th mile drag racing. And I'm going to put this out there. I'm not a fan. I'm quarter mile. That's the way drag racing should be. So it was kind of like I was doing my thing with the vet, doing other projects, doing painting, but at the same time kind of flipping the bird to drag racing until they decided to get their act together to go quarter mile racing. But I don't know if that's ever going to change. It's not really probably wise for me to have this sitting here. Motor with 0 passes on it, ready to go, just sitting here doing nothing. So I decided to clean some of this shit up. Obviously pull some stuff out. We got the train wreck here hooked up with the battery. Obviously when I came out here, I can see more storage crap. We have the battery hooked up. I don't know if you can see. The slicks down there are completely flat, but that's okay. We're not going to be moving the car. So today, what I want to do is I want to see if after a year we can get this thing running. Hopefully we can. So I was able to find some starting fluid. So I'm going to go ahead. I don't know how I'm going to do this with holding the camera and spraying this at the same time. If you guys don't mind, I'm going to pause it and then I'm going to spray it in, and then we're going to try giving this a fire, see if she goes. So hang on, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to fire it up the truck here. Alright, so we got our battery bolt. We got the truck running, so we're going to run here. We have the battery turned on. We sprayed some starting fluid in here. So now I'm going to squeeze in here. So our tack is lit up and everything else. So we're going to go ahead and see what... Nope. Alright, so obviously I have a connection that isn't real good. Let me check my jumper cables and see if I can get this thing to work a little better. It's probably something maybe in the battery in the back. I'll hit it one more time. Yeah, it's not even... Yeah, now I have nothing. So one of my cables came off. So I got to adjust that all. Go back outside here. I don't like this connection here. Let's do that. We'll go in here. Sneak in here. That's kind of loose. That could be a problem too. That terminal's a little loose. I may have to get a half-inch drive wrench and tighten that up if it does it again. Let's give it one more shot here. Do we even have... Yeah, we have power. So let's see if we can get this thing. Nope, did it again. All right, so I'm going to hit pause again. I'm going to tighten that up. Let's see if we can get this thing fired up. Alright guys, the battery's extremely weak, so she don't sound great, but we got her running. So we're going to go ahead and let her idle. I checked your oil pressure. Your oil pressure is good. So what I'm going to do here I'm gonna shut this off. Check everything out. And everything is all stuffed in the freaking trailer. Can't really hear nothing, but go check the oil pressure again. Figure out if anything's leaking. Probably don't like you shaking that much, but spider web wiggling around on the alternator there. Our vitals look good. We got good voltage. Alternator's working. Our oil pressure looks good. I'm about where I like it. It's gonna get smoother as it gets some heat. Remember, this car has been running over here. I'm surprised Steven was able to get it done. But it took like 3 attempts, but yeah. Alright guys, I'm just gonna let that run for a bit. Let that alternator do its thing. See if I can get some heat in it. I'm thinking probably too cold to do any revs. Yep. So I think she's good. We're not race ready, obviously. This is a first step of many. Like I don't even know if we're gonna get out this year. Well, at least we can work on. We know it runs. We know we have something to work with. So there we are. Now we gotta move forward. I think I'm gonna have to put a new battery cable on and some other things. That's gonna be content coming up. I don't know if I'll get out this year or not. But I'm trying to get back on the track. If it's 8 mile, it's 8 mile. Run it as it is, just to get some content, go racing. So it was a little bit of a job, but eventually we got train racks, some jumper cable, starter fluid. We got all turned running again. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. There's going to be other content. Hopefully coming up with this, not just Corvette stuff. I've been doing a shit ton of Corvette, which is probably boring to you guys. I apologize. This is originally how I started, was doing the drag racing thing. And I want to get back to it. I've stepped away from it. Life happened. A whole bunch of other shit. So I'm hoping I can get back at it. Get back into drag racing and get some content together. Get some events together. Get the car ready. Maybe this year yet. I don't know. I have to see. I got to first pull the thing out and go over it. And there'll be content on that as well. So, like and subscribe, leave a comment. Yeah, that's it. We're probably gonna go racing real soon. Watch out for each other, take care of each other. See you next time, right here at Big E's. Bye for now.